This is a specialized USB-C dock specifically for the M.2 iMac. I rarely accept free products anymore. I prefer to spend my own money, and that way when I give you my first impressions of a product, you know that I'm telling the truth. But when they offered me this, I said, yeah, this is something that is unusual and it is different and it is what I need. So you want to send this to me for free? I'll take it. So here's the way it works. You take your iMac, pick it up, stick it on the base. Except for the cord that's coming off the back, it looks like it was all manufactured to be one piece. Pull through the cord and stick it into the first USB socket. It looks like that's what it's designed for. I use this wireless mouse with a dongle. I just put the dongle in, and you can see that it's working just great with the page. We're going from picture to picture to picture, going from page to page. Let's open up a new page, go back to the old page. So as far as the docking station working with my mouse and the USB-A socket, it's just fine. It's got 1, 2, 3 USB-A sockets on it. It's got a USB-C socket on it, and it's got an SD and then the smaller compact SD, or maybe they're called TTFs, I forget what they're called. Still leaves you with one USB-C open on the iMac itself, so that's a good thing. I also like the way it's raised up a little bit. Having the computer on this docking station that much higher makes it easier for me to see the screen. My eyes are looking directly at it now. And on first impressions, it seems to work fantastic. So it seems to be a great product, and I'm glad to be able to present it to you guys in this video today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and while you're out there in the world, don't forget to take the time to have a great life.